I am going to unbox something which is Puppet related. This is probably not in the proper video. Anyway, this should be Smooch. Ooh, let's see. This is my first time opening her. I just opened the package to get the initial thing going. I've got Willow beside me. You can't really see her. Oh, look who's here. Oh, look at that. She's looking around already. She's like, what's going on? Oh, what's happening here? Oh, hey guys, look. Look who's here. It is Smooch. I think that's what it was. But yeah, here you go. This is my unboxing. Hello. I haven't come up with a voice for her or anything yet. I just opened her, as you can see. So, yay. I'll come up with a voice and all kinds of good stuff, and we'll integrate her into our posse. Okay. Bye. It's like a Rod Stewart video in the 70s with the way her hair's blowing in the wind. Bye.